These pumps are tough because you know, the guys we have here take pride in building them. You know, they're made in the USA, made with precision parts. We have an awesome service department and field service. You know, like I said, these guys take pride in their work, and we like taking, you know, challenges from customers and helping them resolve them. You know, right tools are number one, but more important, having the correct guys to do the work. I love the camaraderie at the shop guys and the machine shop and the office people. I mean, it's a family business. It's you know, a homey feeling when you come to work. You know, everybody knows everybody. Everybody has conversations, you know, about families, and it's just a good feeling to come in here. We're solutions driven, so we'll find out how to fix the problem and we'll fix it and get them back on.